In this tutorial, we're going to demonstrate how to set up environment variables in Paradime. These variables can be established for two contexts, namely bolt schedules and code IDE. Starting from the Paradime homepage, navigate to Settings and then proceed to the Workspace section to find the environment variables. Here, you will observe two sections, bolt schedules and code IDE. We'll begin with bolt schedules, which are utilized for production jobs. In the Bolt Schedule section, select Add New. At this point, you can input your key value pairs. Once completed, save these pairs to store them as a variable. Next, we'll establish variables for the code IDE. Again, select Add New, input your key value pair, and save it. It's important to note that Bolt Schedule variables are used for production jobs, while code IDE variables are used during DBT development. This distinction aids in maintaining security between your development and production environments. Additionally, you have the option to edit or delete your variables as necessary.